It's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What's going on, my good party people? I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. One great big aloha. Oh man, I gotta work on my breathing exercises there. But you get the gist. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, aunties, uncles, grandmas, babies, daddies, babies, whatever. Get that drill. Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, because I'm trying to get into the algorithm and it's been a minute. I'm just on the road to 10K. Once I get to 10K, who knows, but we're going to try to keep this train going. All right? I don't review certain shoes. This is an all shoes channel. If you want New Balance, you want latest shoes, DC Cloud, Adidas, what we call Reggie, I review it all. I'd like to tell you that there's other things out there besides Jordan, and if a shoe is dope, it's dope. It don't matter how much it costs. So just keep that in mind. Now, also go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, and MCFLYKOF. Also go follow us on Who Has the Heat. All right, Who Has the Heat? It's a sneaker battle channel. We on IG. We also got battles up on YouTube. You want to check us out? We do battle royals. Every man for themselves. It is shoe for shoe. Now, if you want to call somebody out, you can do that as well. You can have a slipper. No, I ain't gonna say slipper battle. You can have a dunks battle. You can have a runners battle. Jordan only battle. It's all up to you. We host. You let us know what you want to do, and we get it on and popping. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. Now, with that being said, Ja Morant has did his thing with this shoe. This is actually my first pickup of the year. And man, you know how you try to do your projection, you try to be like, I ain't gonna cop this many shoes and all that stuff. And next thing you know, just your dope shoe. It's like, man, should I grab it? Should I do a reach back? And I was like, man, I don't know. But I'm surprised that this shoe is sitting in the mall. But then again, it wasn't doing tax time. Normally January is a slow month. So without further ado, I present to you the Ja3 Lunar New Year. All right, this is 10.5 Ja3 CNY, and you see this box, nice box, very dope. So instead of 125, this is 145. All right, 145. You see me slide this out, and you have this little nice little. So it cost me $20 extra for this little nice little dust bag. I can dig it. I like it. I can dig it. I can dig it a lot. Then you see you got your nice little paper wafer. And I don't know, they got all these shoes wrapped up. I don't care what people say. These are hard. Here are the shoes. You got bang. These almost look like some Nike Ideal. Remind me of the Browns that just dropped with the pink. I was gonna cop though, but I said I probably won't wear it. But I'm really loving these jars. I don't think anything else in them. Inside the box, it is just all gold. You can see yourself. Look at that. So gold deep. Nice. Let me spin it around so you can see the first shoe. You got some little different materials, and then spin it around on this one. You got some more different materials. That gold is popping. Look at that. And people just disrespecting the job. Well, I tell you. And of course, on the bottom, right, got some pretty good traction. You got the 1, 2, the 12. I don't know how long he gonna keep that number. If he go to another team, maybe he might have it, maybe he won't. Who knows? But then you got that Zoom X technology with that gold. So the J, and then you see the A. Very dope. On the media side, you just have the Nike, right? You just have the Nike here, and then you have your nice laces. I was gonna change it, but now I think it's a hit. But look at this. You got a nice little furry, hairy tongue on here. I didn't even know that. That is interesting. With the jaw emblem. So you got some different materials on here. Like I said, on the jaw, you probably would want to go up half a size unless you like the snug fit. Me, I can't stand the snug fit, so I have to have a little bit extra room. And on this one, you just have your 12 in the back and 1 MT right here. I forgot what that stand for. So somebody see this video, help me out there. Cause I used to, I had the other ones and I put what they stand for. I'm trying to see, do we have any more Easter eggs in this shoe? Like I said, Nike normally have more Easter eggs, but I guess not. And inside you got the Chinese writing. You don't have a shoe tree. You have your stuffing. So like I mentioned in some of my earlier videos, I really hate taking out the shoe tree. I mean, not the shoe tree, the actual insole, because sometimes it sticks good, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's just hard to pull out, and all of that stuff. So you can see a little bit more in there. Look at that. That's very dope. These probably gonna touch the ground a lot sooner than later. I just gotta grab me a shirt. I don't know about y'all, but most of the time I have to grab something to go with some type of occasion, depending on the shoe. The regular shoes I just wear whenever, but when shoes got just very dope like this, I gotta make sure I'm right. Gotta make sure I'm matching. Because you don't just go no anywhere, right? These are not no shoes that you just put at the door and then go do a store run. Okay? Try to see what this writing is on the shoe, but it's basically all these little jaws right underneath. That's basically what all that is. Let's check out the other shoe. You got the one. These not like the old Kyrie's, because Kyrie be having stuff all hid all in the shoe. Got to get my little fingerprints out of that, but you can see. And again, like I said, a very dope shoe. I didn't try this particular jaw on, but I'm tried the others on, and I don't expect anything less or anything different about this shoe. Oh, no wonder. I'm trying to put the stuffing inside that shoe. It already got stuffing, so this one is the one. And again, this is why, like I said, my first pickup for July, $145. Luckily, I was able to get a 10% discount because the NX don't really have these. So hey, Nike used to be 20, now it's 10. Every little bit helps. So I am not mad at it at all. Now, if we would just want to go on the design just by itself, I ain't no doubt about it. I'm giving this shoe a 5 out of 5. All right. Comfort level. What I gotta say, 5 out of 5. And just overall shoe would be you got it, 5 out of 5. Maybe I'm just biased on the shoe, but like I said, I really like this shoe. I'm just surprised this shoe is sitting. I haven't even seen it going on sale. Maybe somebody hit in the comments and let me know, have you seen this shoe for sale? But the stores I've been getting to, they just sitting there chilling. Nike haven't been putting too many shoes on sale. Like, only thing I've been really seeing on sale, maybe something like the Dion's or something like that. But the Jordans, they taking forever to go on sale. Some of the lesser, I haven't seen. Maybe the GS size of the Ja, maybe they had went on sale, but I don't know. Like I said, I was hoping the NX would get these shoes. They got the Cobalt, so if you don't mind, go check that video out. That is a dope pair. I also seen I think a pair that looks like Jurassic Park. If those release, you can best believe it. Sign me up. I am going to get those shoes. Other than that, let me see, what other ones have I seen? I might do a reach back and get that teal one that says 12. I wasn't, but I like that one. And the main one I want to get is that black one, the Ja3 I slept on that shoe, and man, I don't really do resale. I don't advocate to push people resale, but man, that shoe is fire. All right, so those probably the only two that I really need to get will be that Jurassic Park and that Ja3, and hopefully that's it. They don't bring no more colorways out. Let me be. But I know if they bring something out, I'm probably gonna be all googly eyed and all this stuff and try to cop that shoe. So other than that, that pretty much is all I have. Like I said, again, you have the Ja3 Lunar New Year, a very dope shoe. $145. They charged me an extra $20, I guess, for that dust bag, but it is dope within itself, as you can see. And other than that, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I answer all my comments, and I will make sure I get back to you. It may take a couple days. Like I said, I'm trying to do this get back into the algorithm. Hopefully give you a video 3 to 5 times a week. That's a lot. But other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Until the next one, we out. Peace.
It's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.